I totally found the Windows disk. So I'm going to go ahead and install this on here. This will make my life a little bit easier. This processor shouldn't be supported. I don't know if it'll actually do anything. It might not be able to install, but this processor shouldn't be supported, so it should not ask me to try and update to 11. I've got the product key on the side of the computer. This was a paid for computer, so this isn't the most ideal drive to install this on, but I think once I get it on here, I can just clone the drive later on if I need to. So now I just need to go find my product key. Pretty simple stuff. So there used to be like all kinds of weird hacks and crazy stuff to do this without one. I don't really think too many people are trying to get free copies of Windows anymore. It's kind of nuts. But yeah, that was like a big thing. So anyway, I'm gonna get this one going. We'll catch you guys later.